We've got a great place downtown called China Boy. They make rice noodles fresh there. So I want to go down there and get some fresh rice noodles and make beef chow fun tonight. Carolyn, are you ready to go get the beef chow, go run some errands with me? You want party mix? Get your shoes on and come with me. Let's rock and roll. I told her to get to the car, and so she should be here soon. Carolyn! Alright, let's hop in the car.
I don't want to go, Daddy.
Carolyn, it doesn't look like we're getting in the car. If you're not getting in the car, we're just going to go to the playground.
Okay, let's go to the playground.
Beef chow fun is not going to happen. The one possibility, though, is there's not really anyone here. She thought her friends were going to be here. So I may be able to get to a store and get something. All right, so let's do an inventory of the fridge. Let's see, we've got chicken, we've got pasta, and some sauce. I've got some cheese. We're going from beef chow fun to pasta. Well, I guess if I end up eating something else from my refrigerator, I won't be as bad off as this guy. We did bump into the Jim Henson bench. We might not have an amazing beef chow fun dinner, but the little one got to have fun at the playground and enjoy herself. So I think it's not a bad trade-off. All right, it's now 5 o'clock. I am super hungry. I still have no idea what we're gonna do for dinner. I could make chicken parmesan. All right, I gotta look for our little, our meat pounder thing to flatten out the chicken. I think it's up here, let's take a look. All right, didn't see it up there. Did find a little crab thing. Don't think this will work though. There it is. Gonna get it on her own, I was fine with that. Alright, well the chicken parm is not looking too shabby, so I think we did alright for dinner.